Stone Love was never really a clash sound. Right? And I can understand why, because it never did a benefit Stone Love anything.
Yeah.
Nothing at all. Right? But we go in our dance, because if Paul knows say something build for a clash, he might make sure him dead, he might make sure him cut through.
Got you.
Right? Because Paul love a clash thing too. Rory not like it that much.
But Paul doesn't.
Paul not like it, no, Rory not like it none at all. But Paul like it, me like it. Slaughter love it.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So would I go play a places for a juggle against a sound? And the sound just jump out for you, man. Because they might look a stripe.
Yeah.
Right? So we get ambush all the while. Remember, me and Rory, we got one place named Circle B. Go play with Silverhawk. At times, Silverhawk and Stone Love never play that often. Right? And we did there now. We win the dance and I dance, you know. At time, a Billy Ocean, the man, then drop away 9-9.
Yes.
But in the dance, you win the dance. You see, by the time the cassette got road, and the man, he say, I really Billy Ocean. It's a Stone Love murder Silverhawk, man. But I never saw it go in the dance. We win the dance.
Yeah.
Right? But the man, them ambush it too, because we not cut no tune for the dance, other than the dub, just general dub we are cut. Right? Because it's a juggling. When me looking at Migla night, I steal me a cup, me see a cup with one dub, only for a dub plate in I hand like like a one portfolio. You know? You see it?
Ready.
Like a one portfolio and one of them rushing man now. The thing with Rory now clash. They like clash. But him have a little sneaking way for it. Flow tune, and there's a man we talk where we say, road boy, what you think? Blase. A man will do that.
Got you.
And I see it. A man will do that. So that's why I rate that youth there. And I see it. He might go draw a certain tune for make your head hurt you. And I see it. And then we said to me, say, oh, Chico. It's a rude boy. A rude boy he used to say.
Yeah.
And what we are going to do now? And me say, suggest something, and most of the time he use a suggestion, and sometimes he come with something else. And most of the time we depend on the same page, and boom. So we win the dance in our dance. You know, see it? Remember one night again, yeah, Silverhawk and Stone Love. At night there, the boss, Double Trouble by Barry Salmon.
Yes.
All right. So after that, Stone Love and Silverhawk are playing at Australia. Paul them never die dance, because again, this never built for a clash. Right? And we go so, and I dance and still they come in I dance probably about 9 o'clock. And then give me one dub plate. And then say, go and bust a one tune there for me.
Yeah.
One brother who used to rate me, you know. I asked me if he come play Silverhawk too, you know. Yeah. Because them time they had the Jerry I play Silverhawk.
Yes. So this was before Richie Poo.
No, Richie Poo played Silverhawk like 2 different times though, you know.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So the night that we in Australia, early out me hear Jerry play the tune. Like about 9 o'clock Jerry played the song, but it never really it just play it. So in our round probably about 12 o'clock. I listen to the tune and I say, Cancer, I play that tune. I make a speech, I say, you know, something about my girl being at home and, you know, problem when me go home and and I play the tune. Brother, some blow shot fire in a house at the other night for the song. Right? Some house Berry Salmon, Double Trouble. But that was the highlight of Free Night. Cause Silver put it up away, brother. Yo, you see, there's a sound clash tune where more sound did I play in the era. Killing pussy and we kill them for fun.
Junior Cat.
Yep. Junior Cat did always. A super cat do it for,
yes.
for Silver.
Okay.
The man them go cut melodians. Them go dig up culture. Yo, some big tune where man them flick power me and can't say that in the night there, brother. I wickedest beat me ever get from a song.
So that night we could say here today that Silverhawk did beat Stone Love that night.
Stone Love that night. Beat Stone Love. I don't know if Cancer remember about it. But because me is a man take that little thing a little more serious. So I remember these things.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, man. The man then put it on with power the night, man.
Wow. Like, because again, you weren't prepared for a clash.
We're not prepared for a clash.
For juggling.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.